Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this Glam Zombie Makeup look. I know that it's not Halloween, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I did the 31 days of Halloween, which means I still have 31 tutorials left over. So I'm going to be sprinkling them in with the cartoon looks every other week. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week now, so that's that. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. I'm starting off this look with my base makeup and brows already done, and I'm just hopping right into hollowing out my eyes using the shade Hide and Seek from the Nightingale palette. The eyes were looking a little too round, so I just went in with some foundation to shape them up. I decided to go with kind of a classic skull look, but more on the subtle side, so just kind of like a wash of sunken inness. Well, that could have been explained better. I wanted the eyes to have a little bit more of a glamorous touch, so I'm going in with the color Flip Out, which is just a little bit darker. It's like a darker brown, and I'm also going to add that to all of the hollowed areas just to deepen them just a little more. To give a softer transition into that smoky eye, I'm just going to line my bottom waterline with a gel pencil, and then I'm going in and grabbing that black shade from the palette, and I'm darkening the outer corners of my jaw and the temple bones. Now it's on to shading the body. For my cleavage lines, I'm just following my natural chest curvature, and for the ribs, I really wanted to give it more of an emaciated feel rather than just drawing on a rib cage, so I'm just lightly drawing little lines to resemble bones slightly being visible, and I did the same thing for the neck and shoulder bones as well. To add a few details, I decided to make her mouth peeled away on the one side and add a collarbone popping through, so I'm just going to draw in the teeth for her mouth, and then I'm adding that bone to my chest. After I have my teeth placement down, it's on to painting and shading the gums. So you want to shade the gums just to create that dimension. I'm using the Mehren Paradise palette for all of my paints. I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you want to find it. It's right on Amazon. Adding a few extra cuts to keep it interesting, and of course I'm making them drip blood. I realized that my eyeshadow is looking a little too perfect for someone who's undead, so I'm just smearing that down as if she's having a rough day. I'm going in with some glitter adhesive, and I'm spreading this all over the wounds so that when I go in with my red glitter, it's going to have something to stick on. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Nye Sparkler for this, and it's in the shade Fire Red. I thought that glitter blood would be a cool addition to take that girly glam idea to the next level, and I really like how it turned out. Then to bump up those eyes as well, I'm going in and taking this glitter by Blend Minerals in the number 1 to coat my eyelids and a little bit underneath my eye. Always use a cosmetic grade glitter for this so that you don't damage your eyes. It's extremely important. Not enough people talk about this, but you can't go to like a craft store and just buy glitter. It has to be cosmetic grade. To darken my brows just a hair, I'm going in with my brow pomade by Covergirl in Rich Brown, and I'm also curving the corners of my brows just to give me that permanent angry look. Then for the lips, I figured it was best to keep it nude, so I'm going in with the shade Insider by Covergirl. Moving into the final touches, I'm just adding these lashes by House of Lashes in the style Siren. I'm darkening my brows just a little bit more using some black paint, and of course I'm going in and popping out all those bones using the Bronze and Sculptor palette by Pure. Oh my god, that's a lot to say. And that's the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.